Drip, drip, drip. What's up, money geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how I'm tracking the dividend income from my individual stocks, because I've actually gotten a lot of questions from some of you guys asking me how do you track your dividend income. So I do have a spreadsheet that I'm using for that, and I'm gonna walk you guys through it. And if you are interested in downloading the spreadsheet, again, I'm gonna put it in the description below. I'll put a link there so you can download it. It's gonna take you to my blog, and you can also on my blog you can actually see all the different individual stocks that I'm actually holding that do pay dividends, and then you can download the sheet and use it. It's very straightforward. Again, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that really interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So let's jump right onto the computer and take a look at the sheet that I'm talking about. This is going to be a very quick video. I just wanted to make sure that people that have been asking these questions do have an answer, and just not just tell you where to go get it, but show you how it actually works. So here we go. So once you get this sheet, once you download this sheet from the website, you get it on your computer. You just have to enter information in three major places. So column A, we say it's the ticker symbol. That's the first part that you're going to enter. So whichever stock that you own, that's a dividend paying stock, you enter the ticker symbol right there. And that's gonna take you now to column B, which is it's asking you for the amount of shares of that particular stock that you own. You input that, and then what is the average cost per share that you paid. And then once you input those three, it's going to populate the entire thing for you. You don't have to do anything. What it's going to do is going to go online, because this whole sheet is automated. It's just going to go online and pull the current price from Google Finance. It's going to go pull it out and insert it into this sheet for you. And then it's going to do the math and multiply and tell you your equity. It's going to show you your market value currently. And then obviously walk your way through showing you your capital gains. And I mean, ideally, I want everything in column G and H to be green. But we know that COVID-19 has actually really hurt the market so bad, and so I'm seeing a ton of red. But I'm very hopeful, because it's a long-term position. So maybe in 1 or 2 years, this is all going to be green. And then it's showing you your annual dividends in column I. And then showing your dividend yield in column J. And then obviously, what I'm really interested in is the annual income. So column N is what you anticipate getting from that particular stock annually. And then, so in my case, where I'm currently sitting right now, so if you just slide this to the right, you would see more detailed information. So where I'm currently sitting right now is that my anticipated annual dividend income in column T is $1,200, a little bit over $1,200 a year. So that amounts to about a little bit over $100 a month, which is not bad. Again, when I talk about dividend income, in this case, it's you sitting there doing nothing and getting paid $100 a month, which is awesome. You own the stock, you're getting two things out of the stock. The price goes up, you're getting growth, and they're paying you dividends. It's awesome. And for starters, if you are reinvesting that dividends, that's why I say drip, drip, drip. So that's dividend reinvestment. So if you can get a portfolio that has drip, you're reinvesting your dividends and letting it grow. So if I took this $1,200 and use it, and then I'm losing out. So if I take it and reinvest it, next time that they pay me dividends, they're not just going to pay me dividends for what I have now. They pay me dividends for what I have plus the $1,200, which is going to pay me more dividends. So the goal is to compound it over and over in the next 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 years before I start thinking about retirement. So that when you retire, you have enough money in this portfolio so that you can start taking that dividends every month and not worry about it. And the good thing about a portfolio like this is, with your retirement portfolio, the government can tell you when you can start pulling money out, or they dictate when you have to pull money out, or they like, oh, now you have to start pulling money out of your retirement account. But an account like this, you don't have to, but this comes with a risk. The risk there is, if the market were to crash like it just did last month, and even currently now, you are going to see companies start paying that dividends, which means that income is going to be gone. Your income is going to be gone, and then your stock value would even go down, which you can't even sell and take your money out if you didn't anticipate something like this happening. So even though it's good, but it comes at a risk. So I do have another portfolio or other portfolios that covers that. So I have a 401k, I have a Roth IRA account, I have a traditional IRA account, I have an HSA account. So those are other accounts that are keeping me a buffer. So overall, I just want a very solid situation where I cannot be punched in one direction. So if you only have a 401k, and then the government will tell you when you need to start pulling money out of that account. If you only have, let's say, a drip account, and then what if the economy crashes? So you find yourself in trouble. So that is something that I really wanted to bring out. So basically, this is a sheet, a kind of a breakdown of your holdings and percent by percentage, and then your dividend income by percentage as well. So just basic math. So again, this is it. This is a sheet that I use, and I've been using it to track my dividends now for 2 or 3 years. So if you're interested, again, guys, I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can actually go and download this particular sheet. Just input your information, and there you go. You're up and running and tracking your dividend income. I hope this was helpful. Again, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that really interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. And as always, guys, question of the day: what do you think about this sheet? Do you have a better one? Let me know in the comment section, and I want to see it. If you want to share with me, I'm more than happy to take a look. I'm not emotionally attached to this particular sheet, so if I see something that's better, I'm always good for improvement. So let me know in the comment section if you have something that's better that helps you track your dividends. Stay safe, stay motivated.